Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can hide active status on Messenger. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account, and as you can see over here, the green dots beside the AIs, you can see over here, these are like online or active status over here. So I want to turn this off. So go to main menu and then go to settings, and then you will see on the top active status. Click on that and then click on turn off this, and once you have click on turn off, this gonna be turned off. And once you come back to your chats, simply refresh the chats, and then it's gonna be removed, or like no one can see your active status on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.